Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is question number 2.8 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. What is the number of photon of light with a wavelength of 4000 picometer that provides 1 joule of energy? So here friends, as we know, lights travel in the form of wave. But lights always show the dual nature. It travels in the form of wave. So we can write like this in the form of waves. But at the same time, when it falls on any surface, it is in the form of particles. So light have dual nature. So here it is given the wavelength of the light, lambda is equal to 4000 picometer. That we will change to 4000 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, because 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Now whatever else is given, the energy. So the total energy is given of the photons in this wavelength of the light. So total energy is given 1 joule. Now friends, if we have total energy of all the photons and we need to find the number of photons, how could it will be possible? It is possible when we will find the energy of 1 photon. So if we have energy of 1 photon and we divide it with the total energy, we can find the number of photons as we are doing in the unitary method simply. So the only thing is, first thing, we need to find the energy of 1 photon. So here we have a formula for the energy. E is equal to h mu, or one more word we can use, is equal to hc by lambda. As lambda is given, so we will use energy formula in form of lambda, where h is Planck's constant. Its value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, and c is a speed of light. Its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now putting all these values in the formula, we will get the value of energy of 1 photon. So we can write like this: energy of 1 photon we can get by hc by lambda. Putting the value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 8, which in turn divided by 4000 into 10 to the power minus 12, and the value of the unit of the energy is joule. Simply we have one thing. Now come up to next step. The main step is the number of photons. So we can write number of photons is equal to total energy of all the photons divided by energy of 1 photon. Simply, now we will put the values in the formula and we will get our answer. Let's see how. So here, number of photons. So total energy is 1 joule. Now upon the energy of 1 photon, so it will be written like this. It will be 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8, and 4000 will go up into 10 to the power minus 12 like this, and the unit is joule again. Now joule and joule will be cancelled. Now First of all, we will adjust all the powers. So 4000 we can write 40 into 10 to the power 2 simply, into 10 to the power minus 12, that is already existing. Now into 10 to the power minus 34 will go up and turn to 34, into 10 to the power minus 8 will change to minus 8. Now what is left over in denominator side? 6.626 into 3 only, because the powers will go up. Now first of all, adjust the powers. So 34 plus 34 plus 2 plus 34 plus 2, it is plus 36, and minus 12 minus 8, it becomes minus 20. Now plus 36 minus 20 will get the answer 16. That will be plus. So we can write 40 into 10 to the power 16 divided by 6.626 into 3. Now divide the denominator side, we will get 40 into 10 to the power 16 divided by 19.878. And when we do the division, we will get our answer. The final answer is 2.012 into 10 to the power 16. And these are the photons. So this is our answer. Calculation is easy, little bit tricky. So keep on studying and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, thank you.